It's delicious. And very healthy. One of our viewers named John Separich sent us a Halloween surprise from Cheryl's Cookies. We got 2 boxes of Halloween-themed trick-or-treat cookies. Let's see the other one. Oh, what is this? This is interesting. These are cupcakes. These aren't even cookies. Actually, these are cupcakes with icing and a little cookie on top of it. That's cool. I love icing on cookies, so I'm going to try a pumpkin cookie. It's delicious. It reminds me of cookies that we used to make when we were kids, and we'd put the icing on the cookies ourselves. John, thanks again for sending all these Halloween treats. We really appreciate it. You want to try?
Yeah. Hey everybody, I'm at Texas Comicon today, and hopefully I'll get some cool selfies. Show you some of the cool costumes.
All right, here we are, going to Big Texas Comicon.
All right,
yeah, Star Wars is here. While I was at Comic-Con, I saw that Henry Winkler was there. And when my son was in 3rd grade, all the kids in the class read a children's book and wrote a letter to the author. I had no idea about any of this. And then one day we get a letter from Henry Winkler responding to my son, writing to him. So it was really cool that he wrote a letter back to my son. And also, he was the only author to respond to any of the children in the class. And so I saw Henry there, and I asked his agent or somebody if I could say hello and thank him for the letter. And so they said, sure. He also gave me this tag that you can take a picture with him because, you know, it's an autograph thing, and if you want to take pictures, you've got to pay for them. I thanked him. He was really nice. I think he was probably surprised. And then I took a picture of us together, which you see here. So Henry, if you're watching, thanks again for writing that letter to my son. Also, I didn't even know that one of my guests was going to be there at Comic-Con too, and that is Thomas Jane, who's in the movie The Punisher, and he was in the amazing series called The Expanse. I walked up and chatted with him a little bit, and he said he's going to come back on the show when his book is out. I didn't take a picture with him, so I don't have anything to show you, but that's another thing that happened while I was there.